Hi, welcome to Gita School online classes. Today, let's discuss the first unit of our English textbook. The theme of the first unit is personality development. Now, what is personality? Generally, when we talk about the personality of a person, we consider different factors like tallness, fairness, or even the muscularity of a person, isn't it? But the truth is that there are number of qualities and attributes that determine the personality of a person. Qualities like your behavior, education, attitude, values, and of course your appearance. These all together determines your character and image in the society. So all these factors together determines your personality. Now we have different ways or patterns to change our thoughts, ideas, behavior, and even our feelings. These ways or pattern are called as personality development, or the way how you change your thoughts, your feelings, your behavior, your attitude, all together we can call personality development. You know, your personality is a state of your mind. So, if you want to develop your personality, first you have to develop your mindset and your thoughts, because your thoughts determine your action and your actions determine your character. The A reading of our first unit is Attitude is Altitude. It is a biographical sketch of Nick Vujicic. Who is Nick Vujicic? He is an Australian evangelist and an international motivational speaker. He was born in Melbourne, Australia in 1982. He graduated from the University of Griffith, Queensland, Australia at the age of 21 with a bachelor's degree in commerce in accountancy and financial planning. In the year 2002, he moved to California, United States of America. In 2005, he established Life Without Limbs, an international non-profit organization and ministry. Later, in 2007, he established Attitude is Altitude, a secular international motivational speaking company. He also starred in a short film called The Butterfly Circus, for which he was awarded the Best Actor. In 2008, he met Kena Miare in Texas, and on 12th February 2012, they got married. They have 4 kids and reside in South California. This unit can be understood in 5 major headings. The first one, the birth of Nick Vujicic. He was born with deformed limbs. It is a rare occurrence called phocomelia or tetraamelia. When he was born, his parents were really worried. Father was really shocked. He left the hospital room to vomit. His mother, who was deeply hurt, could not even hold the baby until it was 4 months. She was a nurse and she had taken utmost care so that she could have a good baby. Still, she always blamed herself for the condition of the baby. So you can just imagine, like every parent, they too have dreamed of a good baby. But unfortunately, Nick was born without limbs. But he has 2 deformed feet, one of which he calls chicken drumstick due to its shape. He says that he would have lost or he would not have done anything in life if there was no chicken drumstick or if there was no little food, because it helps him to balance, to pick up things, to write, to type, to drive, and so on. The second point is the childhood of Nick Vujicic. Of course, the parents were worried, but later they have understood the reality. They have understood that the God has a different plan for their baby. From the beginning itself, they always tried to make him independent. Father helped him to learn swimming as well as typing. Mother, she invented different devices like a plastic device with which he could hold a pen or a pencil to write, and even a pump action soap by which he could take bath by himself. Like that, they have always strived to make him independent. Later, they decided to join him in a mainstream school, that is, a school where normal children study. Of course, it was very, very difficult for Nick Vujicic to adapt himself in a normal school. But later, he said that it was the best decision that his parents had ever taken for him. This decision always given him courage to be independent, or he could face the real life challenges since he was a child. He had an electric wheelchair to move and a team of carers to help him. But you know the world. Everyone is not good. He was always teased and bullied in the school. This made him depressed. And in this depression, once he had even tried to kill himself. Of course, he had an amazingly normal childhood, but there were certain black spots that made him to think differently. Altogether, he was a little bit worried and depressed as a child because he could not find any purpose of his life. He thought that he was depending on others. What could he do in his life? These thoughts always worried him. The very thought of a life without his parents was really terrible for him. So due to these, his childhood was a little bit disappointed or disturbed. The third point, the turning point in the life of Nick Vujicic. I have told you that he was a little bit depressed as a child. And later, his mother had shown him an article regarding a man, and that too a disabled man, who had done great things in life. And he was even helping, encouraging, and motivating others. And this newspaper article was the life changer for Nick Vujicic. See, I've told you earlier, he could not find the purpose of his life, but the article had given him the real purpose of his life. He had understood God has made him like that to give courage to others. There onwards, he had decided to always thank the God for all those good things he had given to him, instead of worrying about what he did not have. And this newspaper article was the life changer for Nick Vujicic. Thereafter, he had changed his thoughts. The fourth point is decision and determination. The article had given him a new courage and purpose in life. He decided to concentrate upon the good he had instead of worrying his disabilities. He had understood that the challenges in our lives are there to strengthen our conviction. Or when we face a challenge, we become stronger and stronger. Then he established life without limbs and attitude is altitude, through which he could interact with millions of people, and he always motivates whomever he meets. Fifth point is his philosophy of life. He says that he always try again and again whenever he fails, or he always stand up and fight again whenever he was defeated, and that is his secret to success. And he says that if you can encourage at least one person in your life, then the job in this life is done. Or simply, our life is to encourage and motivate others, or we should live like an example for others. That is the philosophy of life of Nick Vujicic. Now here are some important sentences from the textbook. Go through it properly and complete the assignments. Thank you.